How to repost someone's Instagram story to your story. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to repost someone's Instagram story to your story. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device. Now, in order to repost someone's Instagram story to your story, they should have to mention you in their story. For instance, this user has mentioned me in their story, so I will have the option to repost their story in my story, as you can see here on the screen. However, if you want to repost someone's story without them mentioning you, then you can take a screenshot of their story and add to your story. Make sure that you should have to take the permission of the individual whose story you are taking screenshot of and reposting it further, or else you might face copyright issues. So this is how you can repost someone's Instagram story to your story. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.